fam? It's Tony and I am here with Graham Snacks. Today I have for you my Graham fam. This is my mom, my uncle, and my niece. Today I have for you this is Blue Diamond Almonds. This is the Nut Thins. This is the original almond and rice cracker snacks. So we're gonna open them, give us a try. Now we tried a hint of salt. We didn't really care for them because we thought it was too not salty. So this might solve that. So we're gonna open them up, give it a try. Let me know exactly what it is. See if I can open. I remember the yellows being this hard to open. Giving this one a try.
Strong.
Not much of a smell, but not really about the smell, it's about the taste and texture and everything else.
I'm strong.
Ready? Here we go. That's better.
Better than the other ones. Better than the other one.
The other one was like a hint of salt. It does have more. Although I think it could use a little bit more also.
Kind of bland too.
Yeah.
It tastes like what you take it for communion, kinda.
I mean, maybe if we have something to dip it in or something, it'd make it better,
Right.
you know, a grand for sea sauce or something.
I mean, I think that it does. That little bread that we take, you know, at the body, they call it. You wouldn't, I don't think, would you? Maybe
I don't see people eating this right out of the box.
No,
No.
I'll give it 2.
Right?
3.
Right?
3.
Sadly, I go to 3 also. We like we like the generous stuff better than this.
Right.
And the sriracha.
it just don't have any flavor. I mean, it's just
It's better than the other one.
It is, but still, it's not enough to really say anything about really.
No.
So that's that.
That's why I give it 2 because it's not.
You can't win them all.
No.
Yeah, you really can't. So yeah, we got these at Walmart. It's really not our thing. Maybe it is yours. So you have it.
I'm dying.
On camera.
We'll give her CPR. We'll see you on the next episode of Graham Snacks.